Good day, everybody. I hope that you're fine. And as usual, my first question is, what day is it today? Yes, today is Wednesday, the 22nd of April 2020. As usual, pause the video and write down the date in your notebooks and then come back.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about past time expressions. Мы с вами сегодня будем говорить о выражениях времени в прошлом. You can see lots of time expressions and have a look at them, pause the video, think, do you know them? Do you know how to translate them? And then come back and we will discuss them. Okay, and now let's have a look at these past time expressions. So as you can see now they are grouped, and let's talk about the first group, which is green. So these expressions, they have one word in common. У всех этих выражений есть одно общее слово. And this is the word last, прошлый. So last week, на прошлой неделе, last month, прошлый месяц, last year, в прошлом году, last night, прошлой ночью, last March, прошлый март, last Friday, прошлая пятница. Now let's have a look at the expressions in pink. So they all have one common word, ago, назад. So a few years ago, несколько лет назад, a month ago, месяц назад, 2 minutes ago, 2 минуты назад, a long time ago, давным-давно, долгое время назад, many years ago, много лет назад. And in blue we have yesterday as a common word. So yesterday evening, вчера вечером, yesterday morning, вчера утром, yesterday afternoon, вчера днем. And on Monday, we use on with the days of the week. С днями недели мы используем предлог on. Okay, so now let's have a look at the picture and read. I've got a lot to tell you. There was a school play last Saturday, and 2 weeks ago I played in a concert. Now let's have a look at the table. We use these expressions to talk about when something happened in the past. So, last plus night, Friday, week, month, year. And an example, I watched a good film last Saturday. Pay special attention that last plus something. Обратите внимание, что сначала идет last, и к нему мы потом прибавляем. Ago after a period of time. А вот ago, наоборот, ставится после какого-то периода времени. То есть после существительного. We went to London 3 years ago. Мы были в Лондоне 3 года назад. Yesterday plus morning, afternoon, evening. I emailed her yesterday evening. Also, please pay special attention that yesterday stands before the nouns. Что слово yesterday, обратите внимание, стоит перед существительными. So times expressions can go at the beginning or end of a sentence. Выражения у нас могут стоять либо в начале, либо в конце предложения. Okay, so exercise number 1. Tick the correct sentences. So you don't need to write anything because we will do this exercise together, but please pay special attention to the example. So last week Jane had a party, or Jane had a party week last. The correct answer is last week Jane had a party, because last week is number 1. Last week is the correct expression, and number 2, last week here stays on its place. Почему первое предложение у нас правильное? Потому что last week правильное выражение, и также last week здесь стоит в правильном месте. Во втором предложении у нас week last. Это неправильно. Now, please put the video on pause, read the sentences, think about your answers, and then come back and we will check them. Okay, and now you are ready to check your answer. So now, number 2. The right answer is we had a big party yesterday. Yes, because as you can see, yesterday stands in the end of the sentence. Number 3. The correct answer is Tina had dinner yesterday evening. А из схемы нам понятно, что сначала идет yesterday, затем слово evening. Number 4. I had an exam yesterday afternoon is the correct answer. А про дни, которые у нас были вчера, да, мы никогда не скажем last. Мы всегда будем использовать слово yesterday. That is why here yesterday afternoon is the correct answer. Sentence number 4. We played tennis 2 hours ago. As you can see from the scheme, at first 2 hours and then we add ago. Да, сначала мы с вами берем 2 hours, а затем добавляем ago. And the last sentence is I phoned you last Friday. Да, прошлая пятница. Last Friday is the correct answer. A Friday ago, we don't say it. Мы так не говорим. Да, a Friday ago нам не подходит. So last Friday. So exercise number 2. You need to look at the information below and write expressions using ago. So this exercise is focused on the word ago. Let's have a look at the example. Sentence number 1. Now, the year is 2008 and then, тогда, the year 2005. So 2005 was 3 years ago. Мы с вами посчитали разницу в годах. Сейчас 2008, согласно упражнению, и тогда был 2005. Разница в годах составляет 3 года, и мы можем сказать с вами 3 года назад. 3 years ago. So now, please, pause the video, write your expressions using ago, and then come back and we will check your answers. Okay, now let's check your answers. So number 2, the year 2000, the year 1990. Yes, it was 10 years ago. Number 3. Yes, the difference is in 1 hour, so 1 hour ago. June and February. 4 months ago. And midnight, полночь. And 11:59 at night, 1 minute ago. So, well done, everybody. Okay, and exercise number 3. You need to look at the table and complete the sentences using the past time expressions. And you should also keep in mind that according to the exercise, it is Friday. Let's have a look at the example. So, number 1. Molly played tennis. We look at the table and we find play tennis, and we can see that according to the table, she played tennis on Wednesday morning, and we write it down. On Wednesday morning, comma, Molly played tennis. А теперь объяснение по-русски. Что нужно сделать? Вам нужно посмотреть в таблицу и закончить предложение. При этом в упражнении нам дано, что сегодня пятница. Мы смотрим на предложение. Первое. Molly played tennis. Молли играла в теннис. Мы находим с вами действие в таблице play tennis. Согласно таблице, мы смотрим сбоку и сверху, Молли играла в теннис в среду утром. And we write on Wednesday morning. So now please pause the video, do the exercise, and then come back and we will check your answers. Okay, so now you are ready to check your answers. Sentence number 2. Yesterday afternoon, Molly watched TV. Yesterday afternoon, вчера днем. We use the word yesterday because according to the exercise, it is Friday. So Thursday is yesterday for us. Да, мы с вами использовали слово yesterday, потому что согласно условию в упражнении, сегодня у нас пятница, а четверг, Thursday, у нас с вами получается вчера. Соответственно, yesterday afternoon. Sentence number 3. On Tuesday morning, Molly washed the car. Number 4. On Tuesday afternoon, Molly painted a picture. And number 5. Yesterday morning, Molly helped Mom with the shopping because, once again, Thursday and Friday, yes, it is yesterday. According to the exercise. And number 6, on Wednesday afternoon, Molly listened to music. I hope that you did everything correctly. And this was the last task for today in this webinar. And so let's have a look at today's tasks. So task number 1, do the tasks 2 and 3 in your copybook and upload photos of your work on Dnevnik or ClassDojo or Google Drive. Сделайте задания под номером 2 и 3 из этого вебинара и загрузите, куда сможете загрузить. Number 2. Do the worksheet and upload it to Dnevnik or ClassDojo or Google Drive. Yeah, don't forget about the attached worksheet to today's video. And as usual, thank you, good luck, and goodbye. You will see me next time.